Hey Crafty Crew, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more crafty videos. Hey everyone, so today I finally got my first Daily Goodie Box in the mail. I've been trying to win a goodie box for a while. I signed up on the website and I kept checking. I never got any emails. It never told me I got a goodie box. I followed them on Facebook. I finally commented on Facebook and they told me I won a box. So here it is, Daily Goodie Box. It's more than just free samples. So I'll put the link below to sign up to Daily Goodie Box for if you want to try it, and also I would recommend following them on Facebook. And if you comment on their posts, it seems like that's when they give away boxes also. But it's like a sample box. They don't give them to everybody like Pinch Me, but it's kind of like selective freebies. So let's go ahead and see what I got. I did see what I got online, but that was, I think it's been 3 or 4 weeks since they sent me the email, so I don't remember what it was. If I can open this, there we go. Here's this. It says, you got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products included inside. Remember to log into your account and share your thoughts on everything included in this box. Thank you. There's that. So you are supposed to review your items also. Okay. Oh, this one's open. So I got these. Look, the thingy came open. The all natural shortbread cookies. So that is those. I guess this part isn't open, but the top was opened. But this is like a pretty, I don't know if this is a normal size or a sample, but it's a pretty good size. So it looks like there's about 16 cookies in here. These are all natural shortbread cookies. That sounds good. Flat house shortbread cookies. Okay, and then I got Bubba's Fine Foods Kettle Cooked Nana Chips, so banana chips, which I've always liked banana chips. I haven't gotten them in a long time. Let's see, potato chip taste, banana benefits. This is Grand Garlic Parmesan banana chips. I don't think I've ever had a flavored banana chip, so I'll be excited to try this. It says real food ingredients. So that's good. It seems like these products are like healthier, better products, so that is a plus. This says Foods Alive non-fortified nutritional yeast superfood. Looking for the perfect vegan cheese powder? Well, here it is. Our all-natural nutritional yeast provides the great cheesy flavor you're looking for without the use of synthetic additives. I don't really know much about nutritional yeast, but I've seen people add it to different things, and I did not know. It says it's a vegan cheese powder. I did not know that's what it was. I just thought it was like some sort of vitamin. A source of dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals, and complete protein. So I'll have to try this out because I've not had this before. I like all this healthy stuff in here. Okay, a hemp bar. That sounds interesting. Hemp bar mocha chip. Evo hemp. It's 12 grams of protein. That sounds good. Simple, incredible ingredients. So, like I said, again, just more natural, healthier ingredients. I don't see the, oh, there it is, the nutritional facts. The first ingredient is cashew butter. So that's good. These are good sized products. I want to get some more goodie boxes. And this is Aqua Biome Fish Oil Classic Strength, the world's first omega blend designed for a healthy microbiome. Sorry, vibrant health for heart, brain, immunity, skin, and joints. The optimal omega blend, 1,200 milligrams per serving. There's 22 fish oil gels in here. So that's pretty good. So you can try it out for a month and see if you have any results. With every bottle you buy, you're helping to plant new coral. So that's good. Definitely want to help the planet. Sorry, I thought I was going to sneeze. Definitely want to help the planet. Ooh. I got, what is this? Dry sparkling ginger. Naturally flavored soda with other natural flavors. That's good. I'll have to try that. I drink a lot of pop, unfortunately, and it would be good to have some healthy alternatives since there's only 65 calories in this can, so that's pretty good. Can't see, it's reflecting. Okay. And then we have, oh, I need this for real. Naturalia, Naturally Australian Heel Balm for rough, dry feet. Visible results in 3 days. Clinically proven formula. That is actually something I need, and I was talking to my dermatologist about that. I just have dry feet, unfortunately. It's probably because I always am barefoot. But there is that, and that looks like a regular size. These are really nice. These are all like what I would consider like a full-size sample. And there's a couple little things in here. See, After Sun facial moisturizer with green tea and oat, calms, rehydrates, and refreshes. Solar Derm. So there's 2 of these, I guess, to rehydrate your skin after the sun. Let's see, and then these are like some coupons, it looks like, for the Bubbas, which is those chips. Let's see. There's a 30% off coupon code for Bubbas, their website. Foods Alive. There's just a card, a business card, I guess, for this company called Foods Alive. Solar Derm. There's 20% off your next purchase. And then some sort of pamphlet for the fish oil. So that is everything that I got in my box. I'm really pleased with this box. I'm excited to try all these products. Like I said, if you guys want to try and win a goodie box to yourself, sign up for their website. Sign up on their website, but also follow them on Facebook and try to comment on their posts. And that's how I got a goodie box. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much, Goodie Box, for sending me this goodie box to review. I'm excited, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.